Step 1. The top tube is labeled top. The 3 center tubes are labeled with downward symbol, and the base sockets are labeled with upward symbol. Step 2. Choose any mid-tube. Align the symbol at the bottom of the tube with the symbol direction of the base and insert it vertically into the base. Step 3. Insert the remaining 2 center tubes in sequence with the symbol pointing downwards, and then insert the top tube. Lastly, connect the power adapter. Step 4. Pull out the clear film on the bottom of the remote control